Now, before I get into the actual cutting techniques themselves, I'm going to go over types of cutting. What most people are used to doing is what I call drawing, which is pulling from the hilt or the grip of the blade and drawing down. Now, you can do a reverse of this, which what I call is a chef cut. You ever watch a chef cutting any kind of vegetable? What you'll see is the tip moving forwards and then applying pressure in this fashion. So you've got not only a draw, but if your blade is low, you can just run this up and cut in this fashion. Now, the next one is the closest thing to what you'd use on a stick action, which is what I call a hack. This would be just a sharp bang in your, and what you're looking at is you're looking at shattering bones, you're looking at breaking something. As we went over the biomechanical cutting, this here is relatively worthless. However, if you come back here and you break the bone, you shatter the hand, drops the weapon. There you go. Now, the next one, very, very simple, the thrust. Obviously, straight forward, straight in, and it doesn't matter whether you're coming in this way or you're coming in for an insertion, a muscle insertion here. The last is what's called a tip rip. Now, a tip rip is where you drag the tip across, and it doesn't matter whether you do it in an overhand or an underhand fashion, and basically it's relegated to the forehand. You come across here and you just start ripping, blood gushes down into the eyes. It's a great setup for your final cut or your final slash. But those are the 5 different types that I actually use: either drawing, chef cut, hacking, thrusting, tip ripping.